What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today guys, ito yung isa sa mga requested talaga na hindi ko na-react agad from Gigi Delana's fans. Ito yung Love the Way You Lie. So this is an Eminem Rihanna song. So nag-cover sila. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir John, Jake, Romeo, and Uyos. Ito yung mga kabanda niya. And also, just late condolences to Miss Gigi kasi nakita ko parang her mom passed away. So, yun. But, we're going to watch this and listen to it. And tingnan natin kung gaano ito kaganda at kagaling. So, let's go!
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn.
I did not expect that.
That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Galing niya.
I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now, a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight. Well, I can't fight. As long as the wrong feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High up of love, drop from her.
Parang nagkabaliktad sila, no? Dapat yung lalaki nag-rap.
Right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you go? Leaving you. No, you ain't. Come back. We're running right back. Here we go again. It's so insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind at his back. Just know it's lame, but when it's bad,
Angas.
I feel so ashamed. I snap. Who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I lay the hands on her. I'll never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn.
Galing din ng lalaki. Rakistang rakista. Bigat ng boses.
Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Ganda ng tunog ng gitara.
You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you're with them, you meet, and neither one of you even know what hit them. Got that warm fuzzy feeling, yeah, them chills just to get them. Now you're getting fucking sick of looking at them. It's why you never hit them, never do nothing
Bro.
to hurt them. Now you're in each other's face, spewing venom in your words when you spit them. You push, pull each other's hair, scratch, claw, bit them, throwing down, pin them. So lost in the moments when you're in them, it's the rage that took over. Controls you both, so they say you're best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you, 'cause
What?
that was yesterday. Yesterday it's over, it's a different day. Sound of broken records playing over, but you promised her.
Grabe yung breathing niya.
You don't get another chance, life is no Nintendo game, but you lied again. Now you get to
Bro.
watch the leave out the window. Guess that's why they call it window pane.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn.
Grabe.
That's alright.
Nag-goosebumps ako dun.
The way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's all.
Kaya pala gustong-gusto nyong i-react ko to, ah. Grabe. Kahit ngayon, goosebumps. Ang galing ni Gigi. No, damang-dama mo yung puso, yung every word na sinasabi niya. And definitely, she's low-key good at rapping. Alam ko magaling talaga si Gigi. She's a total performer. Talagang versatile siya in terms of singing, rapping. Pero ito ata yung pinaka-maangas na flow ng pagrarap niya. This is an Eminem song, okay? Eminem, okay? Eminem. Kilala niyo si Eminem? Oh. Bro. Mind blown. Grabe ang galing ni Gigi, and shoutout itong si Kuya vocalist, ha. Magaling, magaling.
Alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean. Then we fall back into the same patterns, same routine. But your temper's just as bad as mine is. The same as me. When it comes to love, you're just as
Grabe, goosebumps ulit ako.
Just gonna stand there and hear me That's alright because I love the way you
Bro,
I love the way you lie.
what?
Love the way you lie.
Oh, mag-subscribe kayo kay sa channel na to. Galing. Yung gitara, hindi pa na yung grabe. Bro, I think this is one of the best Gigi Delana covers na ginawa niya, no? In terms kasi sa level of difficulty, no, sa pagrarap, I think this was one of those moments na talaga masasabi mo na Gigi is definitely very skillful, and hindi lang sa like pagbe-belt, yung pag kung ano nung mga belt notes yung ginagawa niya, but not everyone na mga singers dito sa Pilipinas na magaling kumanta can do this kind of performance, itong pagrarap. Rapping is very different from singing. Okay? It also requires breathing. It also requires stamina. But again, the flow and sometimes sa akin I think that nasa inborn yung pagrarap. Same goes to singing. No, para sa akin it can be developed, it can be improved, pero it's either you have it or you don't have it. Yun yung stand ko when in terms of talents, no. It's either you have it or you don't. Pero may mga taong like super blessed talaga, no? Like super duper blessed compared sa average na mga singers. But yun nga yung stand ko, and I think that Gigi is one of those singer na meron talaga siyang potential. She already has potential in terms of rapping, no? May swag na siya sa pagrarap, yung flow niya. It's very natural, and it only requires her to even to further develop it, practice lang, and ganun. And look how good she is today, no? And I think that she was able to really enhance that God-given potential sa pagrarap. So yeah, that's it. And shoutout sa banda and kay Kuya Vocalist. Ang galing ninyo, man. Ang galing. Stay sa pocket yung drummer. Talagang walang masyadong extra, no, in terms sa rhythm section, sa drums, and talagang pinakita niya or na-highlight lang talaga yung pagrarap at pagkanta ni Kuya. And man, definitely one of the best from Gigi and her band. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for recommending. Ang galing. So peace out everybody, much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.